Hi guys and welcome back to a new episode. So Bitcoin has finally broken here to the downside. So as I was claiming here already for the last couple of days that will be actually happening, and I know a lot of you have thought that this might be not the case, but I will definitely go into the Bitcoin chart and what we have to expect now from this downwards movement and where it potentially also gonna end. So definitely stick around for this and make sure that you watch until the end, and don't forget, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content, and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates as I put them out. And now let's get here straight into the Bitcoin chart. So here on the 4-hourly chart, we can now observe that we were forming here another rising wedge, and the Bitcoin price has broken down out of it and also confirmed the breakdown here with that candle where we retested the upward sloping support that did now turn into resistance here. So, and from there we saw a small downwards movement, an upwards movement, and then a bigger movement to the downside. So, and that is obviously not finished yet. So people that know how to trade a rising wedge, once it breaks down, they know that it goes to the starting point from the upward sloping support line. So, and the starting point, if I would draw it a little bit more accurate, would be here. Oh, let me also draw this here a little bit more accurate. So starting point is down here at $19,744, which was also the prior all-time high in 2017. So that is the expected low point for this impulse move here to the downside. So, and this move will be confirmed that we will go to this low and potentially lower once we're breaking under $20,250 approximately. And also here on the 4-hourly chart, the stochastic RSI is about to give another sell signal with the blue line crossing over the red line here. So the candle is closing in 42 minutes until this video will be up. Most likely we will have at the same time the candle close, and you can observe what's happening here. If this by any coincidence then actually is turning around, or if we continue to go lower here, but I definitely expect that we go lower here. This move is not finished yet. And also when we are looking here on the 1-hourly chart, we see here clearly another head and shoulders pattern. Here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So, and when I look here at the neckline, if I draw here the neckline, so you see the neckline is definitely broken. So, and the downwards target for this head and shoulders pattern is close to the $20,250 area. It's at $20,350, and we have here another red candle pushing here to the downside right now. So yeah, as I said yesterday, if you want to short this, that is now a really good opportunity, and congratulations to everyone that listened to me and caught it either here on the 1-hourly chart or here on the 4-hourly chart in this area here where I also called for it. If it breaks down out of these other patterns that I had here the other day, that will be then a good opportunity to short. So I have actually personally on Bybit still some shorts open. As you can see here, they're in really nice profits right now. And OMG, I have a small long that I actually opened by accident. But that's fine. It's yeah, basically nothing on that. So, but here my shorts that I opened just yesterday, they're in amazing profits here: 58, 36, 88, almost 89%, here 89%. So this is amazing profits, guys. And if you also want to trade and take the trades with me together, then definitely go to Bybit. So on Bybit, there you still get $4,500 absolutely for free for signing up with my specific link here. And on BitGet, you still get $4,163 absolutely for free with a 15% discount on the trading fees. But also, guys, only with my link. And this is only for experienced traders. So now let's have a look here also on the daily chart. Here on the daily chart, we can also observe this rising wedge here, which is breaking down. So, and with the daily close today, also on the daily, this will be confirmed that we have the breakdown out of the rising wedge with the technical target all the way down here yeah, on the daily chart it's actually even lower. On the daily chart it would be around $18,000, and that's why I'm saying 19,000 might be not the yeah, the final low. It can actually go way lower than that. So, and that is, in my opinion, a clear play from institutional money to grab liquidity, because a lot of you guys were expecting, and also a lot of other YouTubers, that when we were here in this region consolidating, that the Bitcoin price will see another move here to the upside. That's right now not the case. I have warned you for almost a week about that I'm not convinced from this consolidation here that we see a further upwards move, and that we should rather expect one more move to the downside. And now this is actually happening exactly as I predicted it. So yeah, again, congratulations guys if you listen to me in this specific scenario, that we will actually head lower here. So, and yeah, institutional money definitely likes to play around with these fake consolidations. So, and that was a big warning for me because of the volume, because you see in this whole region there's no real volume. So I would have liked to see, when we broke it to the upside, volume like this here, or even a massive volume candle, something like this here, but that was actually not the case, and made me really cautious about the next Bitcoin move here, and the potential move here to the downside, as the warning signs were already in the chart. We can also have a quick look here on Ethereum here once again, before I let you go guys. So let me actually get here. So here you see actually also now happening what I warned yesterday about with the EMA ribbon, that I'm not trusting this flip of the EMA ribbon, because the angle of the yellow string coming up here to the upside was, in my opinion, not stiff enough, and that this might turn out into a potential fake out. And now we actually see this playing out here on the 4-hourly chart, because if this 4-hourly candle is now closing as we are seeing it right now, then we can expect the next candle actually breaking the ribbon even more, and then with determination to the downside, and then the ribbon will flip again bearish, in a bearish trend, and we will continue this downtrend here for Ethereum. And here my first target on a short would be here around $1,000 and 46 yeah, $1,046. That would be my first target for the Ethereum price here to the downside, and my stop loss would be all the way up here at $1,240. So when we look here at the risk to reward ratio, so here my stop loss and my entry just beneath here, so then we are getting here a 1.26 risk to reward ratio, so which is not really great. So that would be a trade that I would personally not take. So no, sorry, there, a 2, a risk to reward ratio of 2. So yeah, I'm still not really liking it, but everything over 2 is something that I consider to trade for myself. So that would potentially be something that I would trade, but not with too much leverage or not with too much equity. So it must be either of one of them. So either I use high leverage but a really small amount to trade with this, or I use small leverage but then with a bigger amount, but not too big, obviously, because the market is highly volatile, and the stochastic RSI is also really close to the bottom here, even though we get here another sell signal right now. So definitely also be cautious here what's happening here. But yeah, you see here this inverse head and shoulders is getting now invalidated with the next 4-hourly candle if this is breaking here further to the downside. And guys, also don't forget, on most of my trades that you saw here on Bybit, I'm actually sharing them now for free in my Telegram channel as I take them. If you scroll here a little bit lower, then you see here this link. This link will get you to my Telegram channel. And if you want to have also my paid signals, I send 2 to 5 signals every day, then also join my paid signals. That is the link to get directly in touch with my staff, and they will give you all the information and hook you up with everything. But I can tell you, for this month we are already killing it. We are up over 1,500% with 3x leverage and almost 500% on spot, which is insane returns for my guys in the paid signals group. So you should definitely check this out. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment what you think is going to happen and a like. Subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.